Still starting. Yeah, I think we're live. Yeah. Do you
All
want
right,
to broadcast first or should I?
I'll run over what I did already, and then
Okay.
and then we can start from there.
Okay.
So, um, obviously, we go into oops, wow,
Filter movies first, right?
whatever. Okay, I have the homework right here. Um, I started my repo, and then I
Good.
um, set up the scenarios in just the filter movie. So it gives you the background already. It gives you this feature. It'll look just like sort. So this is what it does, and then it'll tell you to write steps. So it said enter a step for check PG and R. Um, whether you check or uncheck, enter a submit. Um, enter the steps to ensure that PG and R movies are visible, and
Okay.
um, ensure that the ones that aren't selected are not visible. So what I did was went into they already supplied web steps, um, which has all of when I uncheck, when I check, and some of the more basic ones that they've already included for us. And then they had these movie
Wait,
steps.
you added stuff to the web. You added stuff to the web steps.
No, I didn't add anything to web steps. This is a file that's already here.
Okay, cool.
And
Sorry, I
then,
was just confused.
no,
Okay,
yeah.
cool.
So all of these movie steps is also something that they gave us, um, and they just say fail unimplemented, the ones that they have given us, and I did the given the following movies exist one. I just said at movie equals movie dot create, and then it gives the title, the rating, and the movie release date. So what that does is sets it to the test database, which is just the stuff that they've given me right here. So it's going to read that and then goes into the database.
Okay. There's one thing. I don't. If you look into movie steps, right?
Mm-hmm.
Over here, this is not going to work. Because it's. Hold on one second. I just need to check what I did. Yeah. Oh. Yeah. So it's you have the rating box is called that. Yeah, no ratings, right? So you have to have this. If uncheck that, and if not uncheck, check that. But the also you have to say if you want to do a step, right? Because if you look in this is a step, right? Now, if you want these words to register as an actual step, I'm quite sure you have to say step open thing and highlight this thing. But the problem with that is you need to surround these things with quotes as well. So instead of having quotes on the outside, I just type %. 1 second.
Yeah, so I already had that.
Right.
I had that set up, and then it just didn't save. It did work. My test passed without the ratings rating in there, and I think the percent goes outside of the. It goes like this. So it goes. This is how I had it. I just didn't save apparently.
Like,
If you can see.
hold on, let me just look at the screen. Um,
So that's the correct.
okay, okay. Well, yeah, you can do it. That's basically just doing it without uh, Hold on one second. It's basically just doing it without the braces at all. So you can just change these to that. Okay. So do you wanna? Yeah. What? Yeah. So do you want to go with this, or do you want to try resaving it?
Here, let's save this, and I'll run cucumber
Yeah.
features, and then we'll do
Oh my God.
filter movie list.
Tab. Yeah. Cool. Could YouTube. Cool. Okay, so when I uncheck rating PG, it looks like there's a double
I can't scroll for some reason.
oh, okay, try now.
What the frick is going on here?
Do you understand?
Okay, I'm just looking at your screen.
Okay. So when I uncheck ratings PG, undefined dynamic step.
Yeah, so I did.
Oh, you don't have to write when. Ah, there we go. That's the problem. You don't write when you have a step. You can
Right,
just do it like that.
That we should.
Yeah. So let's just rerun. Yeah, I'm just rerunning it.
Okay.
And then I'll add it to the bottom one if it works. Uncheck. Let me begin this. Ooh, I forgot to save. Sorry. So when I check and when I uncheck doesn't work because ah. Let me just see something. Undefined dynamic check. Oh, I think you have to write when here. Where is this? I don't know why this. I don't know why that doesn't work. Okay. Cool. Let's check if this works. Okay. Now, if you look in movie steps, have you submitted this? I've already like done solution. Like I've already submitted assignment. So if you look in filter movie list, if you look at this, just look what I'm highlighting.
Yeah.
Now, these people are assholes. I'm talking about like their solutions are stupid. Basically, what they want to do is you see this table, right?
Mhm.
Now
Yeah.
now there's a way of saying then I should see movies with the ratings that, I should not see movies with the rating of that. And I've done that. And then I submitted it on edX, and they failed me on the assignment. So I had to do it again. And it turns out it's then I should see and all the list of stuff with R and PG. So I should see Aladdin, and I should see not Aladdin. Sorry, not Aladdin. What are G and R here? So these two are okay. So I should see the Terminator, and I should see the When Harry Met Sally, and I should see the RR, and that one, and Amelia. And I should see that's R, that's The Incredibles. Sorry. This is like I thought about it, right? And I was like, well, this is the most tedious thing in the world. Why would they want us to do this?
Yeah.
And their solutions are crap. You will, if you don't do this, you fail. You don't fail it. You get like 90% instead of 100, just because you made a more dynamic step, and it's the stupidest thing ever.
Huh.
Yeah, I implemented what you did, and it just didn't work. And I should not see. Is it underscore not or not?
I'm not sure.
Let me just check something. Oh, hold on. Just I'm just looking. Put it the thing on your screen. I just need to check something. I forgot where it was. Just give me a second. Sorry. I just want to check what I did submit. I mean, I just want to check if the should or if it should or should not. And can you see my screen right now?
Yeah.
Okay. The documents, what's it called? The Ruby, edX, Agile, and I think it's just straight into features. Or cool. Right, I work on like on my actual computer because I really don't like Cloud9.
Yeah, I use Atom too.
Oh, cool. Okay, so it's this bunch of cock. Okay, so it should know space. That took long, and I should not see Do you want to just copy it? Because this is so stupid. How many movies are there? There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 movies. 5 of them. Okay, so that's 5. 5. Okay, let's swap over because I'm quite sure it's overtime and you can do this lovely tedious thing and fill in the movie names.
All right.
Okay. Aladdin, The Help, and Chocolate, whatever that is. And then it's the 2001 Space Odyssey thing. And the Chicken Run, whatever that is.
Okay.
Cool. Save. Ooh, I can't. Okay. And I'll just redo the test. Cool. So that works. And now we just have to do all ratings. Do you want to do that? It says so. A step should be then I should see all the movies.
Let me think here.
Well, we're actually doing this pretty fast.
For all ratings, I should see.
So I'm just gonna actually copy the text here if you like. Paste it there. Then, so you just have to do the step now.
Right. Then I should see all the movies. Save that.
Okay, I'll just check that the step's failing, which it should be. Yeah, and you can just do that.
Okay, so this says to take.
So, like you can variable page and just check that it has 11 rows. I mean, yeah, 11 rows including the title, because there's only going to be that table of data that they gave you. So you can just check that it only has 11 rows.
Yeah. So I do. What's it say here? Page dot.
Let me just check what you can use. Page. Well, I guess you could say. Oh yeah. Try dot as selector. So just. So dot has, and then should. Sorry, that should, because it's should, right? And then just say dot have should have selector. Hashtag movies tr. I think that's what they named the thing, and then the count should be 11. So you just fill in the. Actually, I'll find the example if you like. Should have selector and counter.
Movies too.
Ooh, sorry. Okay, so I'm just searching Stack Overflow. Okay, here we go. No, that's not it. Yeah, here we go. So page dot should. So that's the solution, the example I got, but let me just change it. Change it to page dot should, and then you can make this like hashtag. I think it's movie or movies, PR, and it should have 11 of those. Whatever. Yeah.
Okay.
Cool.
So what you want to copy this or?
Cool. So let's just check that that works and delete the comments.
Oops.
Right, you're gonna swap over for the oof. Okay, cool. You wanna swap over for the sword movies?
Yeah.
Yeah. Cool. Yeah, that works. So let's do sword movies. So I should see. I'm just gonna sword movies list feature. So then I should see something before something. So let's just test it for one movie. So then I should see something before something, and let's just say let's copy that to the steps and add a key because I can't copy and add another E. Right. Okay. So if it's alphabetically, Aladdin would be before AMAL. JKLM. LM. Sorry. Parents can't spell or stuff. So I should see that before that. And if it's release date, what was released in like the 19? Let's do the Terminator. So Terminator would be, because that was released late, so it said Terminator and anything before it. And released 1980. That'll be before that. Cool. So all these movies first, so that movie. Yeah.
Yep.
Cool. That should work, right? Because Raiders. Sorry, I'm just trying to. Because it would be. It would be the oldest movies first, right?
Right. Right.
Okay. Cool. Sorry, confusing. Let me just check that it's failing. Cool. Still waiting. Cool. Wait, no, that was the wrong cucumber file. Oh, okay. Cucumber feature, which is dash sort. There. Make sure that fails. Okay. So, I know that page.body, page.body, yeah. So let's say we want to use page.body, and I read the thing, and it said that you can use a regex expression to like make sure that it has stuff. So I'm just gonna say, start a nice regular expression here, and it should be, yeah, test it. Okay, this will take a while. So it should not have any of the characters of E2, right? So that's the thing for not. So it shouldn't have any of the characters of E2 because E2, okay, E2, and then immediately for any time after that, it can have.
Why wouldn't you just want to match E1 and then E2? Because it won't be a match if E1
Because
after E2. You get
because
it? So,
well,
so
I'm
it makes
saying that there's any. You see, okay, right now I'm saying that there's any characters besides the E2, right? Because that star means like a lot of them.
but don't you just
Number.
want to look for E1, right?
No, because if I'm looking for E1, then it's just going to match, right? But I need to make sure that before E1 even like gets there, there's no E2s.
Well, if you're trying to match E1, it'll match first. If you can make it say I want to match E1 and I want to match E2, and you can make it go through multi-line, and it won't ever match if E2 is before E1, right?
Well, okay. Okay. Let's just try this in review. Well, you give me another regex expression. Like this is the one that I think will work, but just give me another one. Maybe yours is simpler.
I have to. I'm gonna go on Rubular and just look it up real quick.
Oh, same. Okay, let me just try mine. Oh shit. I'm just gonna paste mine into Rubula.
Okay.
And oh shit. So if you look, just look at my screen quickly.
Yep.
I'm gonna just copy this and paste it into. No, let's not do that actually. Let's just take Aladdin media. I'll take Aladdin and take a media. That's what you see on the page. Aladdin. There we go. Okay. So if I'm needed for Aladdin and E2 is okay, so I'm expecting this to fail. So media, no, Aladdin first. Aladdin. So if this fails, this needs to fail this way and then not fail the other way. So if I put Aladdin as E2 and Mealy as that one, and Aladdin there, no matches, but if I swap them around, wait, let me just check, because Rubular takes forever and has like this small loading bar that doesn't even tell you when it's loading. Okay, it's downloading, so that doesn't work. But if I put that there, if I put that there and I take that away, and I put this here, if it works, it still doesn't work. Oh, because Aladdin's, okay, so, shit, wrong way around. That work? That does not work. Lovely.
Don't you tell it to go multi-line? Like one of the. I'm not sure.
So it's not E1 or anything of E1. Then page body doesn't have multi-line. So let me just say ignore white spaces and rendering. Because the page body won't have never mind, that doesn't work either. Okay, let me just run this and see if it works. Because I mean, I think it should work. Like this seems like it really should work. Honestly, I'm quite sure this is what I actually did to submit to them, and it might, like, let me just check. Oh, it works. No, why is it not? I think it works. Just check. It's work. No, I'm just no. Look at Cloud9.
Okay. Yeah, it works. It's cool.
Cool. I guess we're done. It works.
All right, that's all the homework. We're done.
Cool. It was nice working with you. Cool. Cheers. I'll send you the link to the YouTube video.
Okay, I'm still gonna look around here for. I think there's a simpler regex because if you just tell it.
Okay, let's actually. I want to. Let me just search it like on Google. How to test regex. Regex to test if string appears before string. If the string appears from
So see how I have it right here? If you just look on my screen.
Yeah.
So no matter what.
Yeah. Okay. Okay.
No matter what, it has to match
Okay.
before Emily. And if I go reverse right here, it won't match because Emily comes first.
Okay.
So if I say E1.
What if okay, put Emily under Aladdin. Is that how you say that name? Emily.
Emily.
Just put Emily under, yeah. And put another Emily above Aladdin. But that still matches. Because that is technically wrong, but then it. Let me just. I'm just googling.
I got what you're saying.
Something appears.
No, I get what you're saying now. Okay.
Yeah. You got to test if the first thing comes before. Ah, here we go. Found one. Please work. Cool. Nope, it doesn't tell me. Focal. Regex.
That's okay.
Let me just try this. How are you going? Try at a block. You need to have the block. If you look at the quick reference, it's you can't have circle things. Keep that there. That was actually quite good. Just
it works for me, so.
Does it?
No, okay. I'm saying what we have right now works.
Do you want to keep it like that?
Yeah, that's right.
It does look kind of. Okay. Yeah, cheers, dude. Lovely working with you.
Yeah, cool.
I'll send the link in the chat.
You gonna send me the? You'll send me the link. Okay.
Yeah, I'll actually send it to you right now, because I can. There you go. Okay, cheers.